Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: sharing your digital neighborhood, IP addresses and subnets unleashed. Hey network adventurers! Your friend here, back on the journey to become a data center engineer. Today, we're diving into something super fundamental, yet so cool: IP addresses and subnets. Think of it as mapping out your digital neighborhood. It's not as scary as it sounds. I promise, we're gonna make it fun. So, what is an IP address? Imagine your house needs a unique street address for the post office to deliver mail. Right? Well, an IP address, Internet Protocol address, is exactly that for devices on a network. It's how your computer, phone, or even that smart fridge knows where to send and receive data packets. Without it, everything would be chaos. Like trying to find a party without an address. Nope. You'll mostly hear about two flavors: IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is like the original classic house number, 4 sets of numbers separated by dots. E.g., 192.168.1.1. But guess what? We ran out of unique IPv4 addresses because the internet just exploded. So, we got IPv6, which is like a super long, futuristic house number with letters and numbers. E.g., 2001 to 0DB 8 to 85 a 3, 0000, 0000, 8A2E, 0370, 7334. More room for everyone in our digital world. Okay, now for the subnet part. Before we dive into what a subnet is, let's meet its trusty sidekick, the subnet mask. Think of the subnet mask as the fence around your digital neighborhood, or perhaps the zip code for your area. It tells your device how much of its IP address identifies its neighborhood, the network, and how much identifies its specific house, the device itself, within that neighborhood. It's super important for organization. Why bother dividing our network into smaller chunks called subnets? Imagine a giant city with only one police station, one fire station, and one post office for everyone. Chaos. Subnets help us: 1. Organize. Group devices logically, e.g., marketing, engineering, servers. 2. Efficiency. Reduce unnecessary traffic, like broadcast storms when everyone yells at once. 3. Security. Isolate parts of your network to keep sensitive data safer. 4. Manageability. Makes troubleshooting and growth way easier. It's all about making your digital life simpler. Remember the subnet mask? It carves up your IP address. One part is the network ID. This is like the street name or neighborhood name. Every device in that specific subnet, neighborhood, will share the same network ID. The other part is the host ID. This is your unique house number within that street. So, the subnet mask tells your computer, this much is the neighborhood, and this much is you in it. Pretty neat, huh? As a future data center engineer, understanding IP addresses and subnets isn't just theory. It's how we build robust, scalable, and secure networks. We plan out how many neighborhoods, subnets, we need, how many houses, IP addresses each neighborhood can hold, and make sure everything communicates smoothly. It's like being the urban planner for the internet. Knowing this helps me design networks that work perfectly. See? IP addresses and subnets aren't so scary after all. They're just the fundamental building blocks of how everything connects online. You now understand the basic blueprint of our digital neighborhood. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and join me next time as we dive deeper into the world of data centers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.